Welcome to mathematics session. So children, what we learned in the last class? Expanded form, short form. Yes? So today we will discuss about one more topic, that is ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? So let us see the definition. Arranging the numbers from the smallest to greatest. Okay, when we here we have some numbers are there, so we have to arrange the numbers according to small to big numbers. So here we have some numbers are there. So what is the first one here? 375, 453, 876, 906, and last one is 210. So children, to write the ascending order, first what we know? First count the number of digits. But here all the number of digits are same. That means how many digits are there in first number? 3. Here 3. 906, 3 digits. 210, 3 digits. So we have all 3 digit number also there. So what will we do? So first we have to compare the highest place value. That is, what is the first digit in the hundreds place? Here 3, 4, 8, 9, 2. Okay? 3, 4, 8, 9, 2 in hundreds place. That is the greatest place value of this number. Okay? In this underlined digits, which is small? Which digit is come first? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? 2 is first came now. So, where is 2? Last number. That is 210. 210 is the smallest number. So, first we have to write 210. Okay? This one over. After 2, which is small? 3, 4, 8, 9. After 2, 3, 4. 3, 2 after 3. So, where is 3? The first digit, the first number. That is 375. 375. 2 over 3 over. Next, 4, 5, 6 like that. 4 is there now? Yes, 4 is there. That means the 453. 453. In the next one, 5 over 5 here in that number not there. 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 there na? Yes, that means 876. 876. Then the last one is 906. 906. So, these numbers we have to arranging according to small to big. Which is small first 210. Then after 375. Then after 453. Then 876 and the last one 906. So children, here we are using the one symbol. So how it is used? We know already how to compare the numbers by using the symbol. Greater than, less than, equal. Okay. So here we have to use the symbol that is less than. What is that? Less than symbol. To compare these two numbers, 375 is small. To compare these two numbers, 453 is small. So like this we have to use the symbol in the ascending order. In the same way, descending order also. What is the meaning of descending order? Arranging the numbers from the greatest to smallest. Arranging the numbers from the greatest to small. That means first we have to write the greater number, then after small numbers. Okay. Here we have one example also there. 423, 275, 807, 532. Here we have to write small to big. No. Now we have to write just opposite. Big to small. In the same way here also number of digits are 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So what we have to do? you have just observed the hundreds place value, hundreds position, that is in hundreds position, that is here 4, 2, 8, 5. In this, which is big digit? Very good. 8 is big digit, no? So that 8, which number is there? This, the total number will be the first number. So that's why you have to write 807 is the first position. Okay? So this number over. So what about remaining numbers? 4, 2, 5. 8 after which is big? 5 is big, no? So we have to write 532. 530. This number also over. And next we have to compare these two numbers only. 4, 2. 4, 2. In this, which is big, Nina? 4 is big. So we have to write the total number 423. 423. And the last one is 275. 275. This is about descending order. We have to arrange the numbers according to greater number to smaller number. So here we have to use the symbol, that is greater than. Greater than. So always crocodile was big number side open now. So to compare these two numbers, 807 is big number. Yes. So in the same way, we have to use the symbol. Like this, we have to find out the ascending order and descending order.